What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, the Keto Savage, and I'm super excited to talk to y'all about an opportunity that I have and I need your help on. So I need 100 beta testers for something that I've been working on for the past 4 years, but realistically for the past 15 years. So for any of you that do not know who I am a lifetime natural competitive bodybuilder. I have been following a ketogenic diet now for the past 8 years, and I have been coaching people that entire time and went pro in 2023 via a ketogenic approach at the WNBF competition. So I am now a WNBF natural pro bodybuilder, all while leveraging a ketogenic diet. Didn't start out that way though. I started out at 115 pounds soaking wet. I wanted to get bigger. I wanted to have more confidence in myself. I wanted to just build my physique up. So I started working out, fell into all the common pitfalls and traps that people experience when they go down that path. I bulked up. I thought I had to eat big to get big, so I was eating everything in sight, all kinds of standard American diet foods. Bulked up to 230 pounds, lost 80 pounds in 12 weeks from my first competition, developed a ton of disordered eating tendencies, and that plagued me for years. It wasn't until I found the ketogenic diet in 2014, 2015 that I knew I was onto something right. However, there was not really any information at that time about keto, much less as it pertains to using the ketogenic diet within the sport of natural bodybuilding. So I decided to roll up my sleeves, dive into that world, and figure out how to make it work. And lo and behold, it worked wonderfully. I've been competing with a ketogenic diet for the past 8 years, went pro in 2023 with that approach, and I have just wanted to make it my life's work to showcase what I've learned in that process and help people that have gone through a similar life's journey to emulate that themselves and find success with a ketogenic approach. So I've been lifting now and bodybuilding for the past 15 years. I've been ketogenic for 8, and since developing this ketogenic approach, I have basically figured out my own protocol. I have figured out how to make it work. I figured out how to make it work from a muscle building standpoint, how to optimize that while following a ketogenic diet, but really how to truly optimize the cutting aspect of it. So how to lose as much body fat in the most sustainable fashion possible, in the healthiest manner possible, leveraging a ketogenic approach with ketogenic macros, with real quality food that doesn't leave you plagued with disordered eating tendencies or just unhealthy blood sugar dysregulation, as is common in the sport for people that are following much higher carbohydrates and eating a bunch of processed foods. I've decided to develop this protocol, and I've used it for the past 8 years in working with clients one-on-one, but I've decided to make it into a course that I can use to scale and help more people than I could ever hope to help on a one-on-one basis. And that course has been the focus of my attention for the past 4 years now. I wrote the book, Ketogenic Bodybuilding. The course takes a lot of the information from that book and portrays it in a visual format, plus a bunch of additional content that I've learned since writing that book, and all that I've learned over the past 15 years as a bodybuilder in general. This course is unlike any other course that is going to be on the internet. I can 100% guarantee you that it's going to have detailed nutrition breakdowns, detailed recipe formulations, how to meal prep, how to calculate macros, how to train, how to pose, how to get ready for peak week, how to do a reverse diet properly, how to come out of a competition prep in a healthy manner so that you don't return to some form of binge eating or disordered eating tendency, and how to make this lifestyle sustainable for you while optimizing performance in the process. This has been my life's work. I'm incredibly proud of it, and I'm excited to keep pouring into it as I go. As it sits currently, this course has nearly 200 videos, and I'm going to be adding more videos with each competition prep that I do, with each client that I work with each thing that I learn. This course is robust as it comes, ladies and gents. This is going to showcase everything that you ever needed to know about optimizing one's performance and body composition leveraging a ketogenic diet. In addition to the course itself, I'm also going to be hosting a community group, which I'm going to call The Tribe. And basically that's going to act as an accountability factor so that people that are part of that tribe membership can have weekly coaching calls. They can have accountability and just camaraderie amongst other people that are in that tribe. We're going to have challenges. We're going to have Q&A sessions. We're going to have just a community of people that are on the same path, that are going through something similar, that can just resonate with one another and help build each other up. I think the accountability factor is huge when it comes to finding success with any dietary protocol, with any training regimen, and having that sense of camaraderie and fellowship is key. So I'm going to facilitate that within this tribe membership community as well. I've also developed a custom training app, which I'm about to unveil as well. So you're going to be able to use that to log your workouts, track progressive overload, make sure your markers are all trending in the right direction, that you're getting better with each day that comes, with each day that passes, as it pertains to your training performance. I've also partnered up with a team to build out my own keto-specific artificial intelligence AI software where you can literally go in and ask what your macros should be, how to find foods to hit those macros, to develop a training template based off of specific parameters that you set, equipment that you have, schedules that you have to keep. This is like, I don't know that much about AI, to be completely honest with y'all, but after seeing this unveiled as it pertains to the questions that I get asked all the time, as far as like what macros to hit, what foods to incorporate to hit those macros, like this AI answers all those questions in a very effortless, streamlined manner. So it's going to be a huge time saver in that regard alone. I'm incredibly excited about this course. And as such, I'm trying to make it the best it could possibly be when it goes live. I need 100 beta testers. I need feedback. I need suggestions. I need thoughts and questions and just honestly an engaged group of people to help me build this into the best thing it possibly can be. The course infrastructure is pretty much built out as it sits. I'm going to be building out additional course modules and lesson plans, and I'm trying to finesse and fine-tune the community group, but I want to start that community with a group of tried and true people. That's why I'm turning to y'all. So with this beta launch, I'm capping it at 100 people. There's only going to be 100 seats to fill. The course is not going to launch officially until probably another month from now. So we have a month to get your feedback in, make any necessary tweaks, finish uploading the content, and just get things really dialed in and polished. So within each lesson plan, there's a section for comments. Any comments that you can give me, whether there's like a misspelled word, a cut that doesn't make sense, just like if something doesn't flow right or it brings a question to mind, feel free to drop that in the comments. Then I'll take that feedback and I'll make the course even better. This course is going to start out at a price point of $799, $800. That's a pretty high price point, but I have no doubt that it's going to be worth that, especially because I'm going to keep adding content to it with every single month that passes. Like this is going to be, it's already the most extensive course on ketogenic bodybuilding that is in existence, but it's only going to keep getting better as time goes on. So for the beta testers, since this course is not yet polished, since it's not quite done, since all the videos aren't quite uploaded, especially the appendix videos, I'm going to cut that price in half. So you're going to be able to have access to this course for $399. That's going to get you lifetime access to the course and all future content that comes with it. It's going to give you lifetime access to the community group, which is normally going to be priced at $99 a month. So you get lifetime access to that. You're also going to get the AI for the first year free. So if you want to use the AI, by all means, feel free to do so. And you're also going to get the training app that I talked about earlier. Now, in return for that, I just simply need feedback. I need suggestions. I need comments. I need questions. Anything that doesn't make sense to you, it probably wouldn't make sense to other people. So bring that to me, and I'll fix it, and I'll make it better. Now, as another little bonus add-on for these 100 beta testers, I'm also going to offer a giveaway. So with this feedback, I'm going to have assessments. I'll basically just send out these questionnaires or assessment forms. I don't know, probably not that many, but a few throughout the course of this next month as we get things polished. And if you submit those responses, give me that feedback, or active and engaged on the comment section, and just help me make this course better, you're going to be entered into a drawing. So of the 100 beta testers, any of y'all that are actively helping me out with this course and engaged and submit the assessments and do the questions, or just submit questions to me, I'm going to enter you all into a random drawing. And there's going to be one winner of that beta test giveaway drawing. That one winner, I'm going to basically cover all travel expenses. I'm going to fly you out here to the compound. You're going to spend the weekend with me and the family. We're going to cook for you. I'm going to put you up in a nice Airbnb that's just minutes from the compound. I'm going to train with you. I'm going to make you an active one-on-one coaching client of mine for the next 6 months. I'm going to assess all your form with lifting. I'm going to assess all your stats from a composition standpoint. We're going to get your goals figured out. We're going to get your plan dialed in, and I'm going to work actively with you as if you were one of my one-on-one coaching clients for the next 6 months. So as a beta tester, the main perk is that you get this course and all lifetime content for half price. Plus, you're going to be entered into that drawing if you're an active participant and giving me feedback for that giveaway of an all expense paid trip out here to the compound. So hope that's a big enough value add for y'all. I can't thank y'all enough. I am super excited about this. Like I said, this has been my life's work for the past 4 years in developing this course, but it is a summation of all that I've learned over the past 15 years as a natural bodybuilder. This is going to be game changing, and I have no doubt that this is going to be something that I'm going to continue to build on and add to for the rest of my life as I see it going forward. I'm incredibly excited about it. I'm incredibly proud of it, and I just want y'all to be a part of it. So thank y'all so very much. Appreciate y'all. Sign up if you want to become a member of this beta group. And like I said, it's capped at 100 people. First 100 people in are the ones in. So get it while the getting's good, and I will see y'all inside for the Keto Bodybuilding course.